In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent paragraphs in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable ways to control indentation so your document looks clean, professional, and consistent. First, let's use the ruler. If you don't see it at the top of your document, go to the View menu and choose Show Ruler. Once it appears, look for the markers on the left side of the ruler. There's a small horizontal bar and a triangle. Dragging the horizontal bar adjusts the first line of your paragraph, creating a classic first-line indent that's perfect for essays or reports. If you want the entire paragraph to move in from the left margin, click and drag the triangle instead. This is handy for callouts or nested content. Place your cursor in a single paragraph to change just that one, or select multiple paragraphs to apply the same indent across all of them. If you need to undo, simply drag the markers back to the left edge of the ruler to reset. Next, let's use menu-based controls for precise settings. Go to Format, then Align and Indent, and choose Indentation options. Here, you can set a specific left value to shift the whole paragraph inward by an exact measurement. For more specialized formatting, open the Special Indent drop-down. Choose First Line to set a consistent first-line indent, or select Hanging to indent every line except the first. This is especially useful for bibliographies or lists of references. Enter the measurement you want and click Apply. This approach is great when you need accuracy or when you're working with a standardized document format. Finally, take advantage of the toolbar indent buttons or your keyboard shortcuts. Look for Increase Indent and Decrease Indent in the toolbar. With your cursor inside a paragraph, click Increase Indent to nudge the paragraph to the right, or Decrease Indent to move it back toward the left. If you've selected multiple paragraphs, the change applies to all of them at once. Shortcuts offer a quick alternative, especially when you're formatting as you write, and they work best when you want to adjust indentation in small steps without opening menus. A few tips as you work. Always select the text you want to affect, or place the cursor where the change should begin. Be consistent so your document looks cohesive, and remember that indentation affects paragraphs, not page margins. With these methods, you can format any document with confidence.